Hey, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Affy Elizabeth. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. We will be doing a ponytail tutorial. How many ponytails have I done on this channel? A lot. How many of them been the same? A lot. So yeah, I hope you enjoy another one. One band, one sound vibe. So to get started with the ponytail, I have found a new method that has been helping me. Normally I buy, separate gels and I do them separately as I go. But today is a different day. We are mixing everything in one bowl. Starting off with my Eco Styler gel. This baby right here never fails. And I'm going to be using my Afro Pick to put them all in one container. And I do 2 scoops, and then I go in with my Got To Be gel. This is a $2 tube because I can't find the big one, and I didn't want to. Well, we don't like spending money like that. And then I go in with my Lace Bond hairspray, which you can also use as a lace thing. And yeah, I go ahead and I mix them all in, mix it all up. And it turns out to look like this, very pasty. Normally I do this step separately where like I start off with my gel and then all that. Yeah, I was not feeling the separate steps. So you mix a little bit, mix a little bit, mix a little bit, mix a little bit, mix. Then you get your hair, you comb it out. If you watch Gracie's Corner, you get it. But yeah, so I take a really rat tail kind of comb my hair out, and then I get the gel going. It's going to be very pasty, and I absolutely love this. Like this can, if you use a lot, you can always save the rest for later on your next ponytail. It definitely lasts you a while. And yeah, so I put them all on my hair. I get my brush. I brush as I go. And yeah, this is how it's going to look. The first time trying this, you will think it's a lot. I would say the thicker your hair, use accordingly. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, just look at your hair sizing and mix it however way. But the steps doesn't really matter what goes first, as long as they all mix together. And then I go in with a hair blower and I just make sure that everything is slick. And then I get my little sheet wrap. I've always wanted to try this. I don't know why this step is on here, but it's just me trying to make something out of something. But yeah, so the ponytail I'm using today is the Lulu ponytail. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I use their crochet a lot. And I came across this ponytail right here. Now, me personally, I like the newbie ponytails, but I find them to be very complicated for me. Sometimes the synthetic ones and the cheap ones tend to break the little wrap around easily ponytail. So yeah, so I decided to get the string, make it less complicated for myself. I just get the string, I put the hook on, and I just pull. And then just to cover everything, I take a piece of hair and I just wrap it all around and just make it look a bit comfortable. Now, when it comes to these type of ponytails, the only thing I get annoyed by is like the little hump. But however way you like it, do as you please. But yeah, I absolutely love this look. This ponytail is very easy. I like my stuff to be very simple. And as I go, you shall see how simple it is. So this is how it looks. And yeah, I think honestly, this type of ponytail for me, it's good for beginners. It reminds me back in the days, auntie vibes. But yeah, the little hook right there, I decided to put a little scrunchie just to help it. So this is how it turned out. I'm not a big fan of this thing right here. I don't know if you can see it. That's why I put this, so it can like hide this little thing right here. I don't know. Maybe unless you're tall, you'll be able to see it. But if you're just like walking past, you won't be able to notice it. But someone like me, I pay attention to the little details. So
Yeah, I see it. It bothers me a little bit. But then again, I'm like, it's not that serious. It's not that serious. You be alright. But yeah, the whole method of what I do, because typically when I do my ponytails, I do them by steps. So like I normally do like the gel, and then I do the got to be gel, and then I do the spray. And this time around I just need something quick and ready. On the snap, snap, snap. You know, I'm done with it, I'm done with it, I'm done with it. So I decided to mix them all at once, and it came out pretty well. Like it's very thought I was peeling with it, but no, it's not. It's very really put together. Like we marched together, one band, one sound. That's what it's giving me. I'm very, very pleased. As far as a ponytail, it reminds me of one of my old ponytails that I used to have. I cannot remember the name of that ponytail, but it was really well put together. Will I recommend this ponytail? Absolutely. If you're better than me with the little bump up here, then you will like this ponytail. I don't like a lot of complication when it comes to my ponytail. So just the string, you put it on there, you pull the string, you're good to go. You can add a little, you know, scrunchie to make it more of a cute, you know, distract the little thing. It's really depends on you. But I will give this ponytail, I'll give it a 7.5. Just because of the little knot that I'm having issue with at the time. Maybe it's because that's where my hair is underneath, but I'm just not feeling the little bump up here. You might not see it, but I see it, you know. I see it. And I know they have different type of ponytails where you can just click and then you wrap around and you don't have to worry about all that. But as for me in my house, we're not there yet. The level of skillness is there with like crochet hair, but it's not there yet with, you know, high-techy ponytails, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's pretty long. I say it's about 24 inches back. It's pretty long. I like it. I think it's cute. It's very, very cute. But yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial just as much as I love creating it for you. And I will see you in my next one.